Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video, I shown how you can create a Shopify store. So in this video, I will walk you through basic settings of Shopify. So once you are on your home page, just scroll down a bit and you will see an option settings over here. So just click on this. So we will go through all the settings step by step. So for the general settings, you can see that there is a basic information over here. Your Shopify store name, which is my in my case is my dropship. So you can choose the industry over here. Like just click on this, and if you want to choose any industry, just click on this. And like we're going with the clothing brand, so just click on clothing, and we will save it at the very end. So for the address, just click on edit. In my case, it's Pakistan, and you can add the street and your province over here. So city, postal code. So once you are done with the address, just go to the contact information, click on edit, and add your phone number over here, your contact email, and sender email over here. In my case, both of these are same. So we are done with the address, we're done with the contact information. Now just move on to the store currency. So if you want to keep your currency in US dollars, so just leave it like that, or if you want to move to the euro, just click on euros over here. So in my case, I want to keep it in US dollars, so just click on USD. That's it. So now you can change the time zone, but in my case it's default and it's the best. So that's the basic settings. So just click on save, and now move to the very top end and now click on the plans. So at the moment we are on a 3-day free trials. So one day is over and now we have 2 days remaining. So if you want to update your free trial after 3 days, just click on choose plan, and here you can see that there the basic Shopify plan is $1 per month for the next 3 months. So you will be paying $3 for the next 3 months, and the second one is $49 per month. And you can check out the details at the very end, like 5 staff members over here, 2 staff members up to, you can add up to 4 location, up to 5 location, and you can read that out later on. So we are done with the plan now. Just go back, and now billing. We need to set up our billing. So just click on billing, and for adding your payment method, just click on add payment. And now you have two options. Either you can add the credit card or a PayPal. So if you want to add a credit card, just add your credit card number over here, expiry date, CVV, your region, and all the billing address over here. So if you want to move to the, and once you are done with this, just click on add credit card and it will be added. So if you want to add the PayPal, just click on over here, just click on PayPal and click on PayPal button. So it will ask you. So now this window pop up, and now once you enter your PayPal password, it will move you to the PayPal dashboard, and there you need to accept that you want to connect your PayPal to the Shopify, and it will be connected to the Shopify store. So that's how you can connect your PayPal and credit card to the Shopify store. And now our billing currency is USD, so leave it like that. And on a subscription, we are on a free 3-day trials. Upcoming bills, there is no upcoming bill at the moment as we are just starting out. Okay, so the billing option is clear now. Just so now we need to set up our shipping. Just click on shipping and delivery, and now you can see that for the general shipping rates, we have two options for domestic and rest of the world. So just click on manage. Okay, so now add the rate. Okay, so now in this section I will be adding the rates for our shopping. So click on add rate, and just click on, just name it anything, like in my case it's standard. So click on standard. So now if you want to offer a free shipping for domestic sales, so just leave it like that. And if you want to add a condition, like if the parcel is of above $100, then I'm gonna offer you a free shipping, and if it's below that amount, then I'm gonna charge you like $3. So just add a condition over here, and based on order price, the minimum amount is, let's say, $100. Click on done, and boom. Once the order amount is above $100, you are gonna offer a free shipping to that customer. So let's say now we want to charge $3 for a customer whose parcel value is below $100. So for that, just click on add rate, name it as standard 2 maybe, and now click on add conditions. Based on order price, the maximum amount is 99. So if the maximum amount is 99 or below 99, we are going to charge them a $3. Click on done. So now the condition is satisfied, and we are going to charge $3 if the parcel amount is below 99, and we are going to offer a free shipping for domestic customers uh, if their parcel amount is greater than $100. So for the rest of the world, let's at the moment it's $19.86. So let's just click on edit, and let's say we are gonna offer them $10, which is approximately 2200 rupees. So we are gonna charge $10 for international transactions. So click on done. So that's how you can set up the shipping charges in Shopify store. So now click on save. Okay, so now the shipping charges has been set up. Okay, so now the next part is adding the taxes and duties. So it changes from country to country. So in my case, let's just add, I will be adding according to my country. So just click on Pakistan, and they are charging 17%. So that's how you can add. So just click on save, and everything is done now. Now you are good to go. The setting has been completed. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.